heaven. Again, I am telling you about COVID 19 and the importance of keeping distance away from each other. Sterilize your hand or sanitize your hand before touching anything. Cover your mouth with good quality of mask. It is very important to follow the rules and regulations of COVID 19. This is the only way that we can save ourselves and others also. While working in different places, we have to remember and follow the certain rules and regulations of COVID 19. Now, the next heading is meaning of limbering down. Meaning of limbering down. Cooling down, limbering down is also called warming down to bring the body in normal state after any competition or training is called cooling down. Cooling down always allows the body to gradually from an external state to resting to the near resting state. Here we understand that we had seen while in different types of competitions like football, volleyball, when a player is playing volleyball or football, at the end of the match, we had seen our physical body is sweating very high. Still, that our body is working and muscles are working in their optimum way. But gradually, after half an hour or 15 or 16 minutes, generally the body starts cooling down. At that time, it is one of the fact that how we are cooling down our muscles. It is very important to have cooling down of muscles in a proper way. It involves a specific procedure to bring the body to a normal position. In a specific way, there are few exercises that we can do and bring our body in a normal way. For appropriate cooling down, we should perform jogging as well as 5 to 10 minutes of walking also. 5 to 10 minutes, or we can increase it also. Walking is also the best way for cooling down our body. And there are some stretches also should be held for 10 to 20 seconds. The repetition of stretch should be done at least 3 to 4 times. Stretches. There are various kinds of stretching exercise like limbering down, stretching our hands, legs down. I had told you what is limbering down. In another words, it's a cooling down of muscles. Importance of limbering down. I had already explained you the importance. The body temperature become normal as the time pass. The body temperature become normal. Proper removal of waste product, decrease tension. We are talking of in this. We are talking about muscles tension. Muscles do not remain stiff. Heart rate returns to initial stage. These are some of the common importance of limbering down or cooling down of our body. Next, an important heading is load symptoms of overload, adaptation and recovery. Meaning of load. In the field of sports, load is known as training load. Here we are talking about the training in physical education. So, in that sense, a training load that works or exercise that a sports person in training session. There is a training session of a player or athlete or individual those who want to take part in certain sports and games. Before that, they have to go through the training sessions, and the training sessions are according to their sports and games. In that, different timing and different workload is set up for a different individual. In other words, it can be said that training load is psychological, and psychological demands put on the organism through movement, resulting the improvement of maintenance of performance capacity. Why we are doing training sessions or training loads? Maintenance of performance capacity. Meaning of overload. It is well known that systematically applied, gradually progressive training load is required from athlete to adapt and improve performance. Adapt and improve performance. However, for this adaptation to take place, adequate recovery strategies must be utilized. High volume of high intensity or both without significant recovery period. Symptoms of overload. What are the symptoms? There are various types of symptoms related to psychological, related to performance. Symptoms of overload, psychological symptoms. What are psychological symptoms? We are talking about here about a psychological symptoms. Increase irritability. Here we are talking about irritability means when we are frustrated, when we are going through an overload burden, it increases our irritability. Dullness. We become dull in doing certain type of exercise or workout. Sometimes we are in depression also. Anxiety, where there is depression, there will be certain anxiety also. Easily distracted during task. When we are overloaded, we will be easily away from our target, and we will not trying to do certain type of exercise or take overload that achieves our goal. That is psychological symptoms. Performance related symptoms: movement coordination, disturbance in rhythm and follow of movement. We had seen in during PT sessions or during exercise, if we are giving more than enough, there is a disturbance in rhythm or coordination of a child. Competitive qualities. decrease in readiness for competition, fear of competition, giving up the face of intrinsic situation, especially at the end. Confusion in competition. There will be always be a confusion in competition. Increased tendency to abandon the struggle. Somatic functional symptoms: loss of sleep, lack of appetite, loss of body weight, disturbance in digestion, increase in time required for recovery or pulse. So, these are the symptoms of overload related to psychological symptoms, performance related symptoms, movement coordination, competitive qualities, and somatic functional symptoms. These are the symptoms of overload. Overload, in general way, we can see overload if we increase the duration of exercise or load. In this, we will find that the player or a child will distract away from the aim of the training or a load which we are trying to achieve. However, how to overcome overload? It is very essential to know how we can overcome the overload. The problem of overload can be solved or tackled by the endeavors of physicians, coach, athletes, and parents. The elimination or recovery measures has a broad range of techniques. With the help of these techniques, we can overcome overload. Plan the training. It is very important to plan the training or plan a schedule. The coach and athlete should plan a training strategy. A break in a training may be given to allow proper recovery or loading in training program. May be reduced by reducing volume of intensity of the training. That's why it is very important to have a break between the training session. That is already on a planning of the training. Nutrition. Nutrition play an important role for appropriate recovery. Maintaining an adequate nutritional is essential. Nutrition play a vital role in overcoming overload. Sports drink is suitable. Drinks in suitable quantity, rich in carbohydrate, minerals, and vitamins should be taken during and after exercise. Psychological strategies for reducing and managing overstress owing to overload. Some psychological strategies such as relaxation training, imaginary, and autogenic training are essential, such as is relaxation trainings are very important because not only it gives a break but relax our body time to time also. We are talking about how we can overcome overload. And in this, we know that the load, the word load, we are using it for physical fitness training or in physical education for the purpose of training. Medical aid. Medical aids are valuable tools. How they are valuable tools? Various techniques of massage are beneficial for aiding warm up and relaxing muscles after training. Self massage or rub down of the affected muscles may be helpful. Sports massage or deep tissue massage to the affected muscles may be beneficial. Hot water, cold water bath, contrast bath may also be beneficial for relieving stress or overload. Physical therapy. Physical therapy, slow stretching exercise, proper warming up, proper cooling down, swimming in open air may be beneficial. In a nutshell, it can be said that above mentioned steps may be quite beneficial to overcome problem or overload. A coach can play a significant as well as leading role in tackling the problem of overload. These are some of the main headings or subheadings that we had understood about how we can overcome overload. Meaning of adaptation. Adaptation is a process of long-term adjustment to specified stimulus. In fact, adaptation refers to a body's psychological response to training. How we can adapt. Sometimes we are unable to adapt the training sessions also because our body is not allowing. When do we why when you do new exercise or load, your body is in a different way. It generally takes 4 to 6 weeks for your body to adapt a certain training method. 4 to 6 weeks for your body to adapt certain training methods. That is adaptation. When body is adapting, it takes 4 to 6 weeks to adapt a certain planned training program. Meaning of recovery. What is meaning of recovery? Recovery is defined as a process of regain what was lost. Recovery is essential part after exercise or training load. Our body is made up of millions of very small living cells. Each type of cell or group of cells perform a different job. We have variety of cells in our body. Some are long, some are short, some are stretchable, elastic, some are non-elastic, some are voluntary, some are involuntary. They all play a vital role. All the cells have ability to adapt to what is happening to the body. It is one of the best that cells have ability to adapt. Training load is very significant in the field of sports training because it helps to increase the sports performance. Why we are reading all these things? Why we are applying all these things? Because it helps in sports performance. The quality of the sports increase. The process of recovery and adaptation return the sports person not just previous fitness level but to an improved level. If we will apply it in our general day-to-day life, it will help us to improve our level in fitness. The improved level of fitness is achieved through the body initial training load. Again, we see that without training load, we cannot improve. We even cannot improve the quality of good standard of sports. So it is very, very important to have initial training loads. We will go through the initial training loads. A coach can enhance the exercise, recovery, and adaptation process by reasonable planning and executing of training program and by adopting renewable ways to enhance recovery adaptation other than training such as proper nutrition, nutritional supplements and massage. These are the things that help in adaptation and recovery of overload. Skill, technique, and style. Meaning of skill. A skill is the ability to perform a whole movement. When we teach a student any sports and games, we focus on the skill, the particular skill. Suppose a volleyball player or a playing child, we focus on a proper skill. Skill can be defined as automation or a motor action. What is skill? Skill is a motion. How you play. Suppose you are a cricket player and you like to bat, you bat in a best way. That is the skill. How you drive your bat, how you stretch your legs. That is the skill. The movement or motor action is called skill. Or skill. There are various classification of skills according to their movement. Open skill. First is open skill. Second is closed skill. Third is simple skill. Complex skill. Individual skill. And fine skill. All these are different from each other. First is open skill. What is open skill? The skill that are not under control and are predictable are classified as open skills. Such sports such as football, hockey, badminton, lawn tennis involve in open skills. For example, in badminton, performing any skill may be may different circumstances such as opponent's position on the court. We are talking here about if we see the another opponent standing firm, it affects our skill.